Hi y'all. Today is Friday. Why do I want to say December? I never want to say whatever day it actually is. It's Friday, July 10th, 2020. I'm Lindsay Duff. This is Responsible Day Trading. I just got back from the doctor and they told me that it's gonna be only 2.5 more weeks before we take the pins out. I've been a good girl. I have been doing everything that's asked of me. So 2.5 weeks, I'm gonna get these things out. That is exciting news. Like, I'm gonna be counting the days, minutes, and hours until that happens. All right, we have about an hour and 20 minutes until the market closes. So let's see what we can do in the next, I don't know, 30, 45 minutes. All right, let's check it out. Let's pull up that daily chart. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, I really thought this might give us a chance of pulling back down, but it looks like it wants to keep going. We do have retracement divergence kicking here. So definitely the reasons for the pullback, but let's check this out. Coming off that divergence, I need to go with that move for now. I'm gonna give this one a go. Just a little early on it. Let it slow down. Ooh. Okay, 2 ticks behind there. Yeah, I was a little early on it that first time. Been a strong push up here, and the MACDs are not in tune with that. Man, I'm struggling with my timing. There we go. It's not doing the pop down I wanted to see. Leading a little bit higher here. Ooh. Yeah, I didn't get a chance to pull that out before. Pull back in. Go right behind here. I'm going to pull it up just a couple more so it reaches. There we go. Go ahead and take that one out. Now, if it keeps going after this, go ahead and take that one out. There we go. Next one. I'm gonna hit close. And that is gonna be it. 5 trades, 725. So my first two, trying to make it happen, I guess you could say. Trying to get in just a little bit early. There was a little bit going on in the background here that I'd rather not discuss. So my attention was elsewhere. That happens. Okay, whatever. Well, I guess we'll call that a week. 3 days this week. It's pretty good for me. I've been doing just on average about one. So having 3 days is it's nice to be able to have that in there. Next week, probably going to only have 2 days next week to be able to trade. I've got a ton of projects, right? So while I love trading, I also love teaching. I love working with students. I love watching people grow. And in order to do that, I have to set aside time for them. Editing these videos is not a quick thing. It takes a little bit of time. It took a little bit of learning to understand how to do it all. Now it takes a little bit of time to get it done. So it's Friday. I'm going to not do a lot because I don't go much of anywhere. Today was my second time to leave the house in 3 weeks. It was really weird. So, and I drove. What? I've got some plans. I'm going to be working on, some students have made some big requests on some videos they'd like to see in a curriculum. So I'm going to be working on those because I want to make sure that everything is as it should be, as fairly easy to understand, pushing you in the right direction, and making sure that you're able to have all of the resources that you can have. We're working on the free course. It has the indicators, it has the chart set up. We're actually going to be modifying that free course, and it is going to become a paid course, but we're going to have some more tools in there to be able to understand just one chart and get that really in your mindset and how to work with it. Will it be the complete, this is how you use everything? No, but it will give you a really good starting tool. We're also working on another free course. I've got my work cut out for me. I've been telling myself I'm going to get the second portion of the videos updated on the website, they're still valid videos. It's just they're all under NinjaTrader 7, and I'm trying to put everything under NinjaTrader 8 now, so there's no confusion. Also because everything's moving forward in that direction. So yeah, there's that. All right, guys, that is going to wrap it up. That, as they say, is that. And happy Friday, y'all. Have a great weekend. As always, I look forward to catching you on the profitable side.